Ever wondered how to overcome the challenges of breastfeeding? Let's delve into a simple solution that is transforming experiences worldwide. The answer lies in a humble yet powerful tool, the breastfeeding pillow. Picture this. You're seated comfortably, your baby is nestled against you, and there's no strain on your arms or back. Sounds like a dream, right? This is the reality for countless new mums, thanks to the breastfeeding pillow. Listen to what Sarah, a new mum from London, has to say about her experience. Breastfeeding was a struggle for me initially. The constant discomfort and the difficulty in getting my baby to latch properly was incredibly stressful. But the moment I started using the breastfeeding pillow, everything changed. It provided the perfect support for my baby and me, making the entire process so much easier and enjoyable. And Sarah's not alone. Emma, a new mum from New York, shares, "The breastfeeding pillow has been a lifesaver. It's not just about comfort. It's about the health benefits too. My baby latches better, and I no longer have to deal with the pain and discomfort that used to come with breastfeeding." The breastfeeding pillow, with its firm yet soft fabric, offers gentle support for your baby's head and neck. It stays securely in place, allowing you to nurse for extended periods without the usual aches and pains. It's not just a tool, it's a gateway to a more comfortable, healthier, and more enjoyable breastfeeding journey. From London to New York, Sydney to Tokyo, new mums worldwide are reaping the benefits of this simple yet effective tool. The breastfeeding pillow is not just a pillow, it's a game changer. So, why not give it a try? As the saying goes, the proof of the pudding lies in the eating, or in this case, the nursing. You may just find that it revolutionizes your breastfeeding experience, just like it did for Sarah, Emma, and countless others. Here's to a smoother, more comfortable, and more enjoyable breastfeeding journey. Try the breastfeeding pillow today.